Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about 5 cool features of Samsung Galaxy Buds. So let's get started with it. The first feature is wireless charging. So the case that they come in with, it supports wireless charging. So if you have got a wireless charger, which I've got here, and you turn this on, put the case on it, and then it will start to charge your Galaxy Buds. As you can see here, you can also charge them off the back of your Samsung Galaxy S10 or the new Note 10 if you have got any one of them. So you can put them like this and then put the Galaxy Buds at the right place and it will start to charge. So that's really cool and easy. Now the next feature that I basically want to show you is called ambient sound. So if you go in the Galaxy Wear app and select Galaxy Buds, you can go in there and then turn on the ambient sound. Now for you to turn on this ambient sound, you have to wear both the Galaxy Buds first, otherwise it will not turn on. So once this feature is turned on, what it will do is that it will transmit the sound from your surroundings via these mics on the outside of the Galaxy Buds. They're present on both of them, and the sound is transmitted through these outside microphones straight to your ears, so you know what's going on in your surroundings, and it transmits that sound. So you can turn this feature on, and then you can choose how much you want to listen to from your surroundings. So you can turn this higher or lower, or turn this off completely, depends on you. And then if you want to focus on the voice, specifically if you want to know if someone is talking to you, you can turn on this voice focus feature, which makes voice stand out more clearly from ambient sound. So you can turn this feature on as well. So this is super useful. Now moving on to the next feature, we also have touchpad controls here. So these are the touchpads on the back of these Galaxy Buds here, and this tells you what happens if you tap them once or twice or 3 times. So if you tap them once, you can play or pause a track if you're listening to it. If you double tap on these touchpads, this will allow you to skip a track forward or answer or end call. And then if you triple tap, you can play previous track. So double tap to go one forward and triple tap to go one backwards. And then finally you have got touch and hold. Now when you touch and hold these touchpads, they both have different functions. For the right and left, you can choose different features. For the left one, you've got these options, voice command, so you can touch and hold and turn on the Google Assistant. You can turn on the quick ambient sound, which I've shown you previously. You can turn that feature on if it's off previously, and you can turn down the volume. Now the one thing that I want to mention here is called quick ambient sound. So what is this? So this is ambient sound but on demand. I have quick ambient sound selected on my right touchpad here. So what it will do is that if I'm listening to music or whatever, and I touch and hold my right touchpad here of my right Galaxy Bud, what it will do is that it will reduce the volume of the music or whatever I'm listening to down, and then it will start transmitting sounds from my surroundings through these outer microphones into my ear. So if I'm at an airport or if I'm listening to music and someone starts talking to me, I can quickly touch and hold this right touchpad, reduce the volume, and listen to whatever I want to listen to. This is a really cool feature, really useful feature, and I use this a lot. And finally, you can touch your lock pads if you don't want them to do anything. Moving on, we also have another very important feature here called Find My Earbuds. So what this will do is that if you've lost your Galaxy Buds somewhere in your room or at your home or at your friend's place or in otherwise quiet place, you have a chance of finding your earbuds. But if you've lost them in a public place, in a noisy place, then forget about it. The reason is this. So if you start it, your Galaxy Buds will start producing this chirpy sound that you can listen for and then hope to find your Galaxy Buds. I don't know if you can listen to this sound now. I'll shut up. Let me bring one closer to the mic. So this is the sound that they start to make, and then you can listen for them and find them. And now moving on to the last feature, if you are listening to something or watching a YouTube video with your Galaxy Buds in your ears, you have got this automatic pause feature. So if you're watching this video on your phone and you take out your Galaxy Buds out of your ear, it will pause the video so you don't lose any progress. And then you can tap them, but it won't play the video unless you put them back in your ears and then tap again, and the video will start again. So that's another really useful feature. And that's about it from this video, guys. If you have any questions about them, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.